Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tortillas. All right, but before we jump into that, I want to remind you that our 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on. Got the link to the rule video down here below in the description, so check that out and see if you can qualify to win one of the great prizes in our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. All righty, so tortillas. Tortillas, oh, I love them. They're great for more than just making burritos or tacos out of. All right, you can use them for other things as well. One of the things I like to use tortillas with is a bowl liner. If I'm going to have a little bit of chili in a bowl and stuff, I'll put a tortilla in there, put the chili on it, put the cheese on it, toss it back in the microwave to melt the cheese a little bit, and just go at it. And then when I'm just about done with the chili, I can roll it up like a little mini burrito and finish it off. It's just one of those things I like to do. One of the things my boys and grandkids are liking right now, you take a tortilla, you put it in the microwave for about 8 seconds or so, take it out, sprinkle some grated cheese on it, take a hot dog, heat the hot dog up for about 15 seconds in the microwave, lay it on the cheese, roll it all up, toss it back in the microwave for another 15 seconds, and finish melting the cheese and make sure the hot dog's warm all the way through, and the kids love it. So there's a lot of other ways to use tortillas. I leave that up to your imagination, but add tortillas to your preps. There's both flour and corn that you can use a lot of things for. Oh, one of the things, my wife likes to make something called chili beef casserole. And she takes the corn tortillas, tears them up, and puts them in the casserole, and it makes it absolutely fabulous. All righty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, skills. Why? This is why.